These are the new Empower Automatic Series knives. These are coming available in April and are aimed at an everyday carry automatic. Automatics are becoming legal across the country, and we are seeing more brands coming to market with automatics. These Empower series are based on the popular Propel downrange auto. So plunge lock deploys the blade quickly, easily. Safety, you can lock the blade open or closed. And the body is built from a machined aluminum scales. The blade features S30V blade steel, and a drop point blade shape makes it very everyday friendly. It's available in a number of colorways, some with a black oxide blade coating, others with a stonewash finish. That is available again April 1st. These come in at right about $170 MSRP.